recording?
Yep.
And my name is Eric with CNN Construction. I'm here at Mr. D.Mcfadden's residence at 8117 South Christiana Avenue, Chicago, Illinois, 60652. Attempt to repair this damaged shingle right here, which you see it's already damaged, creased. I'm going to attempt to repair. It is pretty steep up here. Whoa. So start off by scraping. This one's already loose. Scrape this one off. Look at it. Doesn't even scrape correctly. It already ripped already. It's already ripped there. So I'm gonna take the snake carefully. Stop. Oh my God. That nail is all the way up there. Shit. One. Two. Three. Come on, bro. One more somewhere here. There we go. Took off the old one, put in a new one. Underneath. Take the snake and repair it. Try to repair it. Man. There we go. Now, as you see the camera, just an attempt to repair the shingle here. These started creasing and cracking just from that. Look at that. It's damaging the rest of the roof, causing a domino effect to the roof, which is going to be endless repairs. So therefore, we're asking for a full roof replacement on the house and garage. I know you have came out and said you didn't find damage to the garage, but there is definitely damage on there. I'm going to chalk up from the first adjuster that I met out. Please take your time to review this video. Thank you.